How to fix Microsoft To Do app not working or not syncing in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and Microsoft To Do app is not syncing. Then to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows Task Manager and end the process of Microsoft To Do. Go to Process tab and select Microsoft To Do app and choose End Task. It will end the process of Microsoft To Do app and restart afresh and check whether your app is opening or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open Microsoft Store, go to Library from the left pane and choose Get Updates and look for Microsoft To Do app and simply choose Update option. You can also choose Update All button to update all your Microsoft Store app. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on a start button and choose settings. In Windows settings, from the left pane, go to apps, installed apps, and here search for Microsoft To Do. And click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft To Do app, choose advanced options. And here let this app run in background. Click on drop down menu and choose always. Thereafter, check your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes on the same page. Under reset option, if this app is not working, we can try to repair it. First choose repair. The app data would not be affected. If this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Choose reset. And after that, restart your system.